So hello dear students, today let us discuss about the preparation of the line diagram. So line diagram of a building means it is as good as a plan itself, but in a plan of a building usually we give the wall thickness, but in the line diagram we don't give wall thickness. In the line diagram of a building, all the walls of the rooms are represented by single lines, but whereas in plan the walls are shown with the wall thickness also. Okay, so in the plan the wall thickness, if it is to be shown, so if the material, that is the wall, is made of brick, the brick wall thickness will be 230 mm or sometimes 300 mm as the standard thickness. Okay, so this is the brick wall thickness, either 230 mm or 300 mm. So that will be in the plan, but in the line diagram, though it is as good as a plan, the same thing, whatever the plan represents, the line diagram also represents the same thing, but without having the wall thickness. In the line diagram we will be having only single lines to represent the walls. So what does a line diagram contain? The line diagram contains the information of all the rooms that are present in the home. Just as in the plan it represents all the rooms of a home, the same way the line diagram also is a representation of all the rooms together. So that is what we meant by line diagram. So just let us go here. So you can just see here, I have just drawn a rectangle. Okay, so this is just a room. So this may be something in this manner and in this manner, that is, this may be 4 meter and this may be 3 meter. For example, I am taking. So here you can observe these are the four sides, are the four sides of a rectangle are nothing but the four walls here. Okay, the four sides of the rectangle are nothing but the four sides of the wall, and we have given a door here for entry purpose, and similarly we can give a window also like this. Okay, this is in the line diagram. Now the same thing will become a plan if, see here, this is also a room. Okay, but here you can see the four walls are represented by the thickness here, right? So this is the wall thickness, this is the wall thickness, this is the wall thickness, and this is the wall thickness, and here we have given the door. So here the wall thickness has been added, hence this you can call it as a plan, and this is a line diagram. Okay, and here you can give the window also like this. Okay, so I hope you are clear about what do you mean by line diagram and plan. So plan also represents whatever the rooms are present in the home. The line diagram also represents whatever the rooms are present in the home. But in the line diagram, all the walls are shown by single line. But here the walls are shown with the thickness. This is the thickness. Okay, this is the thickness, and thickness can be 230 mm or 300 mm if it is of brick. Okay, so now let us go on to see how to prepare the line diagram. See, what they have asked us here is prepare and draw a line diagram to a scale of 1:100 for a residential building from the given requirements. Provide suitable size and positioning of openings. Openings means the door, window, and the ventilator. Okay, so now what they have asked here is they have asked us to prepare a line diagram. Okay, so the line diagram should contain all these rooms. The requirements means all the rooms should be present in the line diagram. That is what they are asking. So here we have to fix the positions of these different rooms and draw those rooms accordingly to the scale. And what is the scale given here? 1:100. So we have to fix the position of the rooms, where the room should come at what position, what should be their dimension. According to scale we have to convert them and then draw, and we have to fix the positions of the door, window, and ventilator also. So this is called the schedule of openings, that is the door and the window sizes are given here. So let us see in the next video about the details how to draw the line diagram.